Barking is actually a vocalization of an emotional state or want that the dog is expressing. It's their way of expressing to humans as we talk to each other. Dogs bark. It's a natural behavior. We can actually classify barking behavior into categories. You have alert barking, territorial, defensive, or fear barking, which is essentially to chase off threats, demand barking, which is again a vocalization of a need, or anxiety barking. So when the dog is anxious, the release of energy comes in the form of anxious barking. So different training plans is actually necessary to address effective resolution for the different types of barking. The ultimate goal is really for the dogs to be calm and thrive in our environment, because when the dog is calm and its needs are met, you will actually see minimal need to vocalize.